welcome back to Thirsty Thursday at Homebrew, Ohio. Today I am very excited because we are finally making a limited edition wine kit recipe to go with our Trebbiano Riesling. So today we're at Paula's house and we're going to be making lemon and rosemary butter braised shrimp. But first, cheers! What are we drinking today, Paula?
Riesling, of course.
So this recipe goes with the limited edition Trebbiano Riesling, and so we're drinking Riesling today. We're also going to be using Riesling in the recipe.
If you pull up the recipe on Wine Expert, their recipe is going to show using a dish that can go from the cooktop into the oven, but they have like a little misnomer on the side that says you can do it a different way. And if you're like I am, after work I do want to be creative, but I also don't want to be held hostage in my kitchen. Secondly, we're not going to be as fancy as they call for. So I think anymore the spices that they're freeze drying are fantastic, and I'm not going to spend 15 minutes, cleaning and chopping fresh spices. If you've got that kind of energy and talent, please do it, but we're going to show you the quicker method.
So the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe are 1 cup of Riesling wine, which they recommend using the wine made from the kit, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh rosemary, or freeze-dried rosemary in our case, 2 large cloves of garlic grated, 2 bags of peeled and tailed shrimp thawed out. We actually got ones that the tails were already chopped off just for time's sake, and a lemon, 1 lemon. Okay, so the first step is you're going to add 1 cup of the wine to your saucepan over medium heat. So you're just going to let that sit, stirring occasionally for about 10 to 15 minutes until it starts to get syrupy, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we're going to add our butter to the skillet, and as you can see, it's reduced nicely here. So we're just going to add that, and then mix it together until it is mixed together.
1 tablespoon of rosemary, and we permit you to go ahead and measure it if you want to. I'm not all about measuring.
Oh, that literally smells so good.
Oh, look at that. So we want to coat these well. And I think you should just go ahead and adjust this recipe as you wish. If you want more rosemary, put more in. If you want less, less. Okay, so this is about the opportunity that they're going to tell you to put it in the oven, and instead we're going to just put a lid on it. And we can toss that in.
Alright, so we have got our shrimp meal here. We've added some vegetables and a side salad, and we are stoked. So let's dig in. Ooh.
I love it. Do you love it?
I like the lemon. I'm normally not like a lemon person.
It's just like a hint though.
But it's just a hint of it. And the garlic, and the butter, and the wine in there. It's like the faintest little hint. But it's delicious.
Oh. Highly recommend. Go make this.
2 thumbs up. I think we're both going to be stuffing our face in 1 second here. We're a little busy. You should definitely make this recipe. If you want to know the ingredients or the equipment or anything that you need.
The wine.
It will all be in the notes below. And we will join you for the next episode of Thirsty Thursday. Cheers.